हाय, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू माय किचन। विंटर्स में सरसों दा साग और मक्की दी रोटी का अलग मज़ा है। साथ में होममेड बटर हो तो कम लेट्स मेक इट। डिड यू क्लिक द बेल आइकन व्हेन यू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल? फ्रेशली मेड बटर, we'll need a bunch of mustard greens or sarson da saag. Wash, clean and trim the leaves. Chop them up finely. I'm using a cooker to cook the leaves in. So just get the chopped leaves and put them in the cooker. Spinach leaves or palak. I'm using 1/3 of the amount of mustard leaves. Chop it up as finely as you can. Spinach goes into the cooker. Bathua leaves. So this is just a handful. Chop it up finely. Into the cooker. And a handful of methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Chop finely. The finer you chop, the easier it is for you to blend it later on. That goes into the cooker. So my cooker is loaded with all the chopped up greens. Time to pressure cook them. Add in a little water. Garlic, ginger, chopped green chilies, salt. Just mix it up. Put the lid on. And we'll check after 2 whistles. For the tempering, finely chopped onions, grated garlic, grated ginger. Let's take a look inside. Release the steam. That looks cooked. Just mash up everything as best as you can. That looks nice and pulpy. Heat some desi ghee in a pan. Add in the chopped onions. Cook them till they are light golden in color. I like to use ghee for the tadka. If you wish, you could use vegetable oil. That has got a nice color on it. Add in the garlic paste of grated garlic, grated ginger. Add in a tiny bit of haldi powder, just a pinch, red chili powder. Cook this briefly. The ghee is already separating from the masala. Add in the saag. Some amchur powder. You could also add chaat masala in its place. And salt. Give it a mix. And bring that to a boil. Add in some cornmeal or makai ka atta. Mix it up and mash it up. And the saag will thicken up because of the cornmeal. Give it a final bashing. Just see how the consistency has changed. I'll just add in a bit of water to adjust the consistency. That looks good. Some garam masala on top. That's ready. Turn off the heat. For the makki ki roti, cornmeal or makki ka atta, salt, mix well. Add hot water to make a dough. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Knead the dough till it becomes nice and smooth and less grainy. I have a flat pan or a tawa heating up. I divided the dough into 4 parts and have a bowl of water ready. Just wet your hands and shape the dough into a thick roti. Some ghee on the tawa. Spread it out. This is how the roti looks. Couldn't get it thinner than this. Let it cook on absolutely low heat. That's been cooking for about 3 minutes. Cook on both sides to get a nice color on them. Cook it on the flame briefly. This will make it slightly charred. Keep it aside and make the rest of them. Add a dollop of homemade butter on the hot saag and serve it with makki ki roti, onions and green chilies.